Hey parents, Barbara with Family Scholastic Adventures here with another toy review for you. And again, this is also on the miniature spectrum. Today we are looking at the world's smallest line, the world's smallest and world's coolest items here. I have a few samples. This is perfect for the back to school season. And obviously it's going to be great for stocking stuffers, and if you fast forward into the year even more, consider something along this line for your Easter basket finds as well. So here we have the Crayola 2-pack. And what is really cute about this is it comes as a keychain. So imagine you're, stuck in, the inspection line, or you're trying to mail off some packages for the holiday season and the post office is a mile-long line and you got your kiddo with you. Having these crayons just clipped to your keychain, it just automatically adds for like an emergency kit. It's perfect. You can clip this onto your beach bag. You can clip this onto what I call my mom's awesome travel bag. I am always taking a variety of goodies in the car for when we have, long trips or semi-long trips, because who wants to be bored no matter how long the car ride is? It doesn't have to be a 4-hour trek to, Massachusetts. I'll just grab a bag even if we're just going somewhere that's about 45 minutes away. So this is going to be perfect to just clip onto those bags because it comes with the little keychain here. Again, it is just a cute little 2-crayon pack here. So very clever of Crayola, and I'm sure this can be a lifesaver for many of us moms out there. So that is that one. And then the other Crayola one is this really adorable pencil set. So it has a couple of miniature coloring books, and then it also has five, let's look at me, five colored pencils in this hardback case here. So again, toss it in your beach bag, toss it in your mom's awesome travel bag, put it in your purse. It would be great to just add to a backpack. I know my daughter would often do the after school program, and this way she'd have her own little kit to take to that activity. What else can I say? So it's got 5 Crayola pencils and then the 2 coloring books in this cute little adorable packaging. So I love these little things. Perfect again for stocking stuffers. And then the last one that I want to show you here, but this is not it, folks. There are so many. There was the most adorable miniature Jumanji set. Loved it. There were, gosh, what were some of the other ones? There were just so many different miniature things that, some of the nostalgia was coming out, some of the games that we played way back in the day when I was a girl, miniaturized, so many things for you to check out. So again, this is going to be world's smallest line, but you want to go to www.superimpulse.com, and I'll leave all that information in the body. This is Uno. Remember I was just saying nostalgia? I remember playing hours upon hours of Uno with my family. And this again is going to be miniaturized, so you can just toss it in that bag, toss it in your picnic basket, so you have a little, activity while you're there on the blanket. Take it in the car. Again, perfect stocking stuffer ideas here. So again, we've got Uno, we've got the Crayola, they've got different board games, they've just got so many different things in this line, and that is superimpulse.com. Thank you for watching and hanging with us. Bye now.